Hi guys, thank you for stopping by at my channel Experimental Gardening. Today's video is about my Brussels sprouts giving me the flowers and the seed pods. So I want to show you how they comes like this. So I have grown some Brussels sprouts from the seeds in the month of March, and they start growing, and then I transplanted them to the separate cups. So I want to see if they will give me some sprouts or not. But what happened? They start growing whole season, but they didn't give me any sprouts. So I wonder why they didn't give me any sprouts. Maybe the lack of the nutrient or some other problem. But I left them as it is on the uh, pots. So by the time the winter came and the frost came and they didn't die, they start growing uh, all the season. And then in the next year, in the month of March, they start growing rapidly, and they were so tall. And I was wondering why they are going so tall, but I don't see any sprouts. But what happened? After 1 month, I saw that they have grown like 5 to 6 feet in tall, and they start showing the flower buds. And when I see that they are very tall but uh, no fruit on them, I say, okay, let them grow and see what happens. So in the month of April, they were showing uh, green bunch of the birds, and I was thinking that they may give me some fruit, but instead of giving fruit, they starting converting to the flower. They were really beautiful flowers, like yellow color flowers, and there were so many, and I was enjoying the flower at least. So you can see now the flowers are whole bunch of flowers in these two plants, which I have grown from the seeds, and I want to collect the seeds, and then I saw the flowers are starting to convert in the seed pods. The seed pods are very tiny seed pods, and they were starting to soil so that I can see that there are some seeds in them. But I was not interested in harvesting them. I was just wondering how they grow. So you can see now these are the seed pods. So I let them grow as it is, and then after 2 to 3 weeks, they start drying out, and the seeds were falling on the ground, and I didn't collect. I want to see if they will grow on the ground or not. So guys, you can grow also your seeds of Brussels sprouts. You can collect them and you can use them. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.